Alright, this is my first YouTube video. That's me right here. Follow me, Arturo, whatever you want to call me. Arthur Churro. Alright, let's see how bad I am at this game. Everybody already knows this game. Yes, I'm sick. And I'm a new YouTuber to this, so everybody has already played this game. Gario, I think that's how you pronounce it. Not sure, but let's find out how good I am with this. Alright, let's see. Oh shit, okay. Woo! Nope, fuck. Nope. Okay, I don't see the point of this. There's a giant. Oh man, am I lagging? Yes, I am. No. Iron Pig 2. What the fuck? Okay. Alright, let's go this way. Oh, damn, I'm lagging badly. What's up, guys? Let me eat y'all. Get back there. Oh, hell no. Go away. Ah, Emoji King, why? You douche. Okay, don't know where you go to this. Okay, where do you go for names? I'm better at this at the mobile version. Skin. Yeah. This is the first time I'm playing this. Okay. Where? Oh, nickname. Okay. You know what? What should my nickname be, guys? Let's go with Wolf. What? Not E? There we go. And yes, it does say Wolf on it. Alright, let's see. Okay. Woo! Okay, there. Okay. Oh shit! No! Go away, go. Damn you, spider, go away. Okay. What the fuck? What are you supposed to... Okay, get this. No, go back here. Thank you. Why are you lagging? Oh, nope. Blobfish! Blobfish is spider. What? Blobfish is spider? Okay. Let's see if I can get this right. Nope, can't do that. Well, I completely suck at this. But let's continue on. Let's see. Okay. Play. Lagging. Okay, speed. Go. Run away. Emoji King, fuck you. Oh shit. No. Go away. There we go. I wish I could do things like the actual YouTubers and do both facial. Oh, god damn it. No. Emoji King, go away. Let me be. Well, apparently Emoji King is stalking me. Yeah. Make it. No, god damn it. Alright. Doesn't help the fact that I'm sick. Cells eating 0. Top position. Aw, look at this. Look at that, guys. Sad face right there. Sad day for me. Oops. Yeah, actual name right here, Arturo. I am Arturo. Okay, guys. Well, I'm gonna give this a few more seconds of play. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna give this one more try. Oh, Jesus Christ, that's the biggest banana. Kill bitches. What? God damn it. Okay. Alright, well, let me turn this back around. Okay. Well, guys, that's me making my first YouTube video, playing this game for the first time on PC. Like I said, I'm better at it at mobile. So if you see wolf, let me eat you. If not, alright then. Well, this is it for my first video. And like actual wolves. Ooh, I will see you guys later. Deuces.